guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to make a really awesome recipe for you. We are making mac and cheese in a mug. This is perfect for one serving of delicious mac and cheese. It is also perfect to make in your dorm room. So yes, we are still doing the college series here on Cait Straight Up because my book is on Amazon, and as you know, if you've purchased it, it takes place on a college campus. So again, my book is called She Said He. It is available on Amazon, link below, and let's get to this mac in a mug recipe. Now, if you've ever wanted mac and cheese, but you don't want to make a whole batch of it because you'll eat it all, because let's face it, who doesn't love mac and cheese? This is the recipe for you. So we're gonna cook it up in my self-made mug because I think that's a great mantra here. And we are gonna fill the cup halfway with elbow noodles. You're then gonna cover the elbow noodles with enough water to completely cover them, and then it's going in your microwave for 3 minutes. After that 3 minutes, we're gonna add in some other ingredients. We're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of milk. And I like to add a little bit of garlic. As you know, I'm a garlic lover, but I got a little bit of garlic, a little bit of parsley, just to give it some color, honestly. And then we're gonna do a cup of cheese. Now you could do any cheese that you want. I have shredded cheddar here. Any cheese works. Sometimes I like to add a little Parmesan cheese with the cheddar. That works really great. And then we're going back into the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you are just gonna stir up that cheese and that mac and get it going. So yummy. Look at this. This is so fun. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. I want to take a bite, but it looks super hot, so I'm going to wait a second. But you're just going to stir it all up, and that's it. Mac in a mug. So guys, make sure to check out my book on Amazon. The link is below. Again, it's called She Said He. I would really love for you guys to check it out. And I know that you tune in weekly here, so if you feel like supporting some of the other things that I do, it is available on Amazon for $5.99. And yeah, that's my mac in a mug. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.